Welcome to our open house event here in Isimi Lagos. This is the Nature Cottage, and we're having a very fantastic experience here, seeing firsthand one of the buildings in Isimi Lagos and the naturalness, the sereneness of this amazing location. Remember that Isimi is Lagos' first sustainable city, located here in Epe. Congratulations to all these beautiful people who keyed into Isimi Lagos. And I tell you, your investment is not in vain. In fact, a lot is happening inside Isimi Lagos already. And I hope you are seeing for yourself where your investment has been located. So we understand the challenges of delivery, the challenges of location, the challenges of timeline. But do not forget that Isimi Lagos is a project of 10 years, and over this course of 10 years, it will be activated over time. So we're still within the 10 years activation period, and this is why we are coming up with features like this that you can see. So this is the Nature Cottage. You can see the swimming pool, and you can also see where I'm sitting, an outdoor location where you can have fun. Your kids, your grandkids can come here and enjoy vacation. This is a fantastic experience, and I know that is why many of you bought into Isimi. This Nature Cottage you are seeing is sitting on a 250 square meter, including the swimming pool. So you can imagine the space that you have. And also, this Nature Cottage was built with 60% glass. So we have less of blocks and concrete. We have more of glass here. And the beauty of it is that you have space for nature options like this. You can have a park, you can have a garden, you can have a small farm in your plot. For those that bought 300, 500 square meters, you can actually do fantastic things with your land. And not just that alone, you can actually build a destination home. For example, this here is going for 6 million naira for a weekend. Minimum of 6 persons can enjoy this place for the weekend for 6 million naira. So you can imagine the experience, the boat cruise on the by the lagoon, the ice baits, the kitchen, the enjoyment. Everything here is so much driven by nature that you are going to love owning or building your project here. So for some of you who have already gotten physical allocation, what is holding you back? You can start working on your architectural design and then begin to prepare things so that you can begin to build your own destination home here in Isimi Lagos. And we still have available plots still selling here in Isimi Lagos. For those of you who are interested, you can still take advantage of our promo offers right now and key into Isimi Lagos. We still have 300 square meters and 500 square meters still selling. Remember, Isimi is a premium estate. It is not like your regular estate. It is a premium estate. If you have been to Lakwe Lake and Golf, this is the kind of experience Isimi Lagos is trying to replicate and more. So if you have been in that kind of environment and you love the nature, you love the landscaping, you love the serenity and the tranquility in a place like Lakwe Lake and Golf, then imagine what Isimi Lagos is also offering you. Noiseless cars, no generators, green areas, electric cars are only allowed to come in here, and you're going to have a lot, the helipad, the lagoon front, which you can actually access Isimi Lagos from the helipad to the road, and also from here we have our jetty here in Isimi Lagos. And Isimi Lagos is just 5 minutes away from the Lekki Proposed International Airport. It is 45 minutes to VI. So if you want to take VI from your boat to VI, it's 45 minutes. And of course, it's shorter when you use the helicopter. But road is about an hour or so through roads down to this place. So the skylight, just like you can find in Rolls Royce cars. And come closer. This has been like our experience all the way in Isimi, including when the helicopter first landed here. Also, the Isimi polo game, which will be held this December here in Isimi, Lagos. We also have a lot of experience over the years. This is me here with some of my colleagues. I remember we taking this picture. Beautiful experience. This is the helicopter experience coming into Isimi. You can see the state that will be, playing golf or polo here in Isimi. And this is when Sensible came here to Isimi. This is just to show in brief all what has been happening in Isimi. And like I said, this is the Welcome Center. This is where you experience luxury and nature blended it together. So this is the kind of experience we want to create. This is the kind of experience we want you to have owning a piece of Isimi Lagos. So for those of you who own Isimi Lagos already, this is just a tip of the iceberg that is yet to come. And if you are yet to take advantage of this opportunity, currently here in Isimi Lagos, we still have 300 square meters, 500 square meters, 1,000 square meters, still selling here in Isimi. Premium, only for the 1% of the 1% of the 1%. Do not forget, the essence of this city is blending luxury, technology, and also nature. Beautiful environment you can see. If you are still interested in securing an investment here in Isimi Lagos, we are open for discussion and we can guide you through the process of making ownership here a hassle-free experience. Thank you very much for watching our video. We look forward to you joining us on other of our videos too here in Isimi Lagos and other properties that we have here in Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you very much. My name remains Frankilo and I'm your lead investment broker here at Montwell Properties and Investments Limited. Thank you very much for watching. Until we see you again in another video. Adios.